Hey y'all, for this wash day I'm going to be using a clay mask right after my shampoo. So basically the clay mask helps reduce frizz and reclump up your natural curls. So I'm going to just start off with a plastic bowl and use one of my favorite brands of Bentonite clay. I believe it's called Bentonite and not Benote because I used to say that. And then I'm going to pour in equal parts apple cider vinegar organic. So make sure it has the pulp in it. Just shake up the jar. And then you just want to stir it until it's a nice thick texture. So at first when I started stirring mine, it looks like I poured in way too much apple cider vinegar, and you can tell because the consistency is too watery even when the bubbles went down. So I just added in a little bit more clay just to try to thicken it up. To see what type of consistency you have, you should let the bubbles go down first and then see how the consistency looks. So yeah, basically I just needed some more powder, so I did that about 3 times, just trying to equal it out. And I came out with this smooth consistency that's like creamy almost, but not too creamy and not too thick and not too thin. So yeah, so it's something like this. So now it's time to shampoo. Hey y'all, so I am doing a clay mask today for my wash day, so let's get started. This time I'm going to be starting with the shampoo. Usually I would get straight into the mask, but for some reason I just want to start with the shampoo first. Okay, so I just applied it on wet hair. This is a moisturizing shampoo, I think, but it still cleanses nevertheless. If you want your hair to be super clean from the mask, you should shampoo first. Just know your hair is gonna be really like defined and clean. So I'm gonna just shampoo, scrub the scalp. All right, I'm gonna rinse it out now and then we can start applying the mask. I just put a towel down because I know that it can get messy on the floor. So what I'm gonna do is section up my hair. And I guess we can start in the back. A roller size is good enough. Don't make it too big because you want to cover like almost every strand. So here's the mask. This is the consistency. I guess using a little at a time will create less splattering on the floor. So I'm just using a little at a time. And I'm just doing roots all the way down to the ends, and I'm finger raking it as well. So starting at the roots, raking it down. Oh, my hair is growing every time I cut it. So concentrate on getting it into the roots and then smoothing it into your hair. That's the goal right now. And these shedded hairs, I'm pulling off my fingers and throwing in the tub. And this may feel drying because, I mean, the clay is supposed to pull out everything out of your hair. So it's okay because we will follow up with a conditioner. Just the same way the shampoo strips your hair of the dirt and unnecessary oils, the clay mask is just further stripping your hair so that your curls can be clumped and defined. You don't have to suffer from frizz. Don't make your sections too large. This one, there's like no, this part dried out so fast. I might add a little bit to my hand because that's a little too dry. Make sure every strand is coated. If you want, you can spray your hair with some water. If this gets on your clothes, it's fine. It rinses right off in the washer. Yeah, so you don't want to add any oils at this part. No oils, absolutely zero oils, because that won't help you clean your hair. No oils. Not going to be helpful. We're not using it as a moisturizing mask. We're using it as a cleansing mask so that we can improve the frizz and define the curls. If you think your natural hair is turning on you and you don't understand what's happening each week, just try this method and you should definitely see results right after we rinse this out. I didn't even drop any yet. Usually it's like a mess in here, but I should have got my spray bottle because I keep having to wet my hand with water. Why is this? Yeah, definitely have your water bottle filled with warm water next to you and re-wet the hair that dried out. What was I saying? I was talking about something else. I forgot, y'all. Oh, we were talking about defining. Yeah, you'll definitely see results right after we rinse this out. Don't put any oils in it. Now it might be like straight like this. Might start out like that, but it's gonna start shrinking up if it's not damaged by like heat damage or tension damage. I don't know why this little piece. Now the camera's dying. How dare you? I'm gonna switch it out. When I come back, my whole head will be done. Yes, you will have plenty shedded hairs. It's okay, as long as it's not in clumps. All right, so let me do the other side and then I'll come back. Hey y'all, so I'm done. So now I'm just gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes, let it dry, like squeeze out everything from my hair. That's the point. So just let it dry out for like 10 minutes. While I do that, I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna just clean up everything. I have the bowl. There's only one spot on the towel, so that's good. I'm gonna clean up the counter, the tub, and then by then I should be rinsing out my hair with warm water and then put my conditioner on afterwards. So I'll see you guys after I rinse out this mess. Hey y'all, so I rinsed it out, so my hair is super clean now. So now we can apply the conditioner. So I'm using this Detangling conditioner. This conditioner smells good. This one's just soaking right in. This is not even a deep conditioner, it's a regular conditioner. And it's soaking right into the hair. Alright, this conditioner says to leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse out, so I'm rinsing out now. Alright, I washed the conditioner out over the tub, and here is how my hair is looking, nice and soft and curly. I put my butter on it, well, a butter on it, and now I'm going to do some mini braids and get ready for some full locks. So if you want to see that video, stay tuned. Hopefully you guys can use the clay mask to define your curls and to eliminate frizz. So thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.